Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you 5 in-camera transitions to help you take your videos to the next level. So whether you're creating for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or just general content, these tips are going to help you take your videos to levels you've never seen before. I hope you're ready. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so we call that transition the frame blocker. So all you got to do is block the lens at the end of your first shot, and at the beginning of the next shot, you open up your lens. Simple enough, right? Cool. So we call that transition the sky to sky transition. So all you got to do is at the end of your first scene, you point up to the sky, and at the beginning of your second scene, you point down, back out of the sky. Got it? Good. So we call that the whip transition. So all you got to do is you whip the camera in one direction at the end of one scene, and at the beginning of the next scene, you whip it in the same direction. Simple enough, right? Cool. Cool. We call that the snap transition. So all you got to do is you snap in one shot, and then at the beginning of the next shot, you snap again. Line up the clips, and you've got a transition. Simple enough, right? Yeah. So we call that the camera shake. So all you got to do is at the end of your first scene, shake the camera. In the beginning of the second scene, shake the camera again. Pretty simple, right? Yeah. So there you have it. 5 in-camera transitions. Simple, easy enough for you to use to level up your video game. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I don't know what else these YouTubers say, but yeah, do all those things and you'll be notified when I create more videos like this. I'll be making tons more resources for creators to help you guys get better at what you do. Hope you enjoyed this one. Peace, 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 peace. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you 5 new in-camera transitions to help you level up your story. Damn, I'm trying to record a video here, homie. Okay, we're going to try that again. Anyway, 5 new in-camera transitions in this video. Really? Really? 5 new in-camera transitions. Okay, this is not going to happen.